Okay, welcome children. I'm going to try to show you guys how to upload your parts for 3D printing. You can see here that I just have activity 4.2 part 1 up the UFO at the flange, but I'm going to go ahead and export that and try to turn it into the cloud. So I'm going to start with a file part. I'm going to come up here to File, and I'm going to export it. Now I'm going to export it as a CAD format. The specific CAD format is STL. The STL format is going to have some options, so I want to be very careful here. I'm going to hit the options button here to make sure I send the correct STL. Things I'm looking for is units. I did mine in inches and I'd like it to be. And then resolution. Resolution should be on high, not medium or low. Makes it a little bit bigger file, but obviously we're going to get a little better final product. But those two things are what you're checking there, units and resolution. Once I'm there, I'm going to hit OK. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit save. In my case, I'm saving to my Google file stream Google Drive in the IED folder. And I would hit save. Now I would go and I'm going to insert that in your Google Classroom. Oops. In your Google Classroom under resources, there's IED Cloud Printing folder. I want you're going to drag or insert this into the folder with the STL. So your STL is going to go into this STL folder. You can see I have a couple things on there already on the print. And then I want you to go ahead and put your name on the waiting list. So Ian put in there the star, and now he's on that waiting list. So I know that through the day, as you know, you don't have to be here, and I can keep the 3D printer rolling. I'll just kind of go through, and then when I'm done, I'll cross you off the list and keep it going. So in order to be printed, you need to have your name on the waiting list, and then you need to have your STL in the STL folder. Please double check to make sure you're in the proper units. Please double check, make sure you set your resolution on high. And I think the second or third time will be easier, but the first time will be a little painful. Just ask me if you need any help at all. Thanks.